Amazing affiliate marketing tips from the pros. There is quite a bit of money to make through affiliate marketing, but you must first learn valuable information to help you in your venture. There are several tips that should be applied to a successful marketing plan, and many of them have been included in this very informative video. If you are operating a web business that is providing local services, then you need to start out seeking local sponsorship and traffic rather than wider exposure. Check out the local Chamber of Commerce and local business directories in order to find great listing opportunities. Nothing is better for your search engine rankings than for people to search for your site by name. Don't get lazy about taking advantage of new programs and trends. Check and see the latest updates of your affiliate programs. There are new ads and tools constantly being added to increase usability and visual appeals. Even small changes like keeping your site trendy can have a large effect on your readers. Affiliate marketing can be a very profitable way to make money. Instead of actually owning the products, you refer people to buy them and make a commission off of it. One easy way to do this would be to post your website or product on a forum or blog in order to get the most people possible. After you get your foot in the door with affiliate marketing, you shouldn't rest on your laurels. Begin seeking out new opportunities and expand your horizons. Make another blog or add another domain to your host server and interlink your site so that your current customers can check out your new venture. Apply the tips and the information that you have read in this video to your marketing plan, and you are sure to see your plan come together nicely. A great plan is going to make it much easier for you to make a success of your affiliate marketing business venture. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.